Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to save 2x battery life on the Huawei Band 10. Now, if your Huawei Band 10 is giving you 3 to 4 days of battery life, by following the steps in this video, you can increase the battery life to 9 to 10 days. Now let's get started. First of all, just press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Then go to Settings. From here, tap on Watch Face, then tap on Always on Display. Now from here, just disable Always on Display. Now after that, on your smartphone, just open the Huawei Health app, then go to Devices. Now under the Connected Devices section, just tap on Huawei Band 10, then tap on Health Monitoring. From here, tap on Huawei True Sleep and disable Huawei True Sleep. Now just select Yes. After that, just go back and tap on Additional Emotions and Stress Records. From here, just disable this option. After that, just go back and tap on Automatic SPO2 and disable Automatic SPO2. And this is how you can save 2x battery life on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.